Very good evening to you, sir. My name is Nikita. I'm from Rail Analysis. As Rail Analysis is having 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave at Bharat Mandapam. So please tell us about your experience and your previous organization.
Thank you, ma'am. I am Jugal Kishore Bhatti. I was earlier with the RISE. I have worked in RISE for 35 years. RISE is a Navratan and Schedule A public sector under Ministry of Railways. And so far as what me is concerned, I have done I have BE from Punjab University, Chandigarh. Then I was on study leave for 18 months and did MTech in Building Science Construction Management from IIT Delhi. Then I also done MBA Finance from Indira Gandhi National Open University. Then by rights, I was sent to USA George Washington University and did a training course in International Agricultural Diploma in Project Management. I worked in rice nearly for 35 years and I have got the opportunity to work in various areas such as airports, metros, highways, waterways, roads, contract management, arbitration and so on. Thank you. You have asked about my organization. RISE is a multidisciplinary engineering and consultancy organization providing a comprehensive range of services from concept to commissioning in all aspects of transport infrastructure and related technologies. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Sir, today on 23rd, during 7th Rail and Metro Technology Conclave and Expo 2026, you were moderator in the session. What was your topic as a moderator? How do you rate rail analysis?
Yes, it was a privilege to moderate the session on panel topic. My today's topic was rail and metro infrastructure, integration of signal and telecommunication IT for network efficiency. The credit goes to Shri Tanveer Goyal Chairman Rail Analysis, who gave me an opportunity to speak as a moderator on this panel topic. We discussed how digital technologies, integrated communication systems, and intelligent signaling are shaping safe, more efficient, and future ready rail and metro networks. There were total 7 panelists in today's. One of the panelists was Principal Executive Director from Railway Board. Another was from Railtel Corporation of India. Third was the Chief Engineer from Northern Railway. And the 3 more were one from Image Graphics, another for IBM, and the third was from the Stainless Steel Company. You have asked me about the rail analysis, how should I rate? I rate analysis 10 out of 10. The reason being, the first reason is the platform has constantly provided a credible forum for meaningful industry dialogue, bringing together policymakers, railway leaders, technology providers, and experts to exchange insights on the sector's most critical priorities. And the second reason why I am giving the 10 out of 10 to rail analysis is events like the Rail and Metro Conclave and Expo make a valuable contribution to advancing knowledge sharing, collaboration, and innovation across the rail ecosystem. Therefore, I extend my best wishes to rail analysis for continued success in all its future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir, for